In this video, we're going to take a look at an interview with Cathie Woods this past week on Bloomberg. She explains exactly why she sold Coinbase and what she bought instead. Let's listen in.
We're very positive on Coinbase, especially in light of the court ruling for Ripple and against the SEC. Not all together, there were some puts and takes, but by and large, very positive for exchanges.
I made several posts on Coinbase in the past several weeks, and I explained how buyers were protecting this $50 level. And early June, this is where Cathie got in before prices rose more than 100%. Let's just look at that on the daily chart. You can see how price had to penetrate the zone even further to get the remaining unfilled orders. But this is where Cathie bought. She bought it at $48.
So as the stock has escalated to the top of, it's the second largest after Tesla now in the flagship strategy, and it's the largest in ARKF, our fintech strategy. We're simply taking profits and reallocating the capital to perhaps some laggards.
We're back on the weekly chart, and rightfully so. After 100% appreciation, Cathie is taking some off the table. Maybe she's watching my videos. Who knows? But price did hit a monthly sellers level at $120, which said take some profits.
When we talk, well, where exactly then does that money get reallocated to, Cathie? Where?
Well, let's see. We have been buying some of, I can't talk about all of these trades, but we have been buying some because they're still in process. We have been buying some of the genomics names that have not caught fire and have been held hostage by the depression in the healthcare sector generally. Right. So that's what you'll see us do is, again, we probably already own these stocks. We have reinitiated Teradyne. Teradyne is still in a base, and so we did use some of the Coinbase for Teradyne, which is a play both on the semiconductor cycle around AI and automation. It bought Universal Robots, a Danish company, several years ago, and we think that that space is about to boom.
So this is the monthly chart on Teradyne. As you can see, we had a monthly support resistance band at the 110 level. Now let's zoom in to the weekly chart, and you can see that price formed a daily buyers level at $100, but because price could not take out this resistance band, which is a monthly band at the 110 level, the daily buyers at 100 was not going to hold, and rightfully so. Price came into the band, broke the trend line, weekly trend line, and went roughly $15 lower, putting in a base before rebounding. All right, so let's take this off the charts. Price came back into that monthly resistance band, based for several weeks, and broke out 2 weeks ago, and this past week put in a indecision candle. More than likely a pause before price goes higher. Look for your next target at the 128 level, where you have a prior pivot high. Cathie's been on fire this year. Cathie has been timing her entries to the T. Cathie is back. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.